We are very excited to invite you the music and the food festival, which is an event that you can't miss. It's at the festival that brings together people who love music and the fans activities.
The festival is going to take place on Saturday on 6 p.m. in the schoolyard. You must arrive early if you want to get a good space near the gate. You mustn't bring school on dangerous objects because safety is very important. There will be activities that you can enjoy during the event. We have games there that are fun and easy to play. There are also contests with gifts, prizes to people who participate.
You do have to spend a lot of money because every ride is affordable. There will be food that of snacks, drinks, and desserts. The food is prepared by students, is delicious and cheap. This is an event that is perfect for students who want to relax and have fun. You can meet new people or share your interests.
Everyone who attends has to follow the rules and respect others. This helps create an environment that is safe and enjoy everyone. You can take photos, enjoy the music, and spend time with your friends. It's an experience that you will remember.
You can't miss this opportunity because this only happens in this semester. Remember, you must be respectful and follow the rules.